Welcome to our channel. I am Santosh and today's video is going to be very interesting. In this video, we are going to see how you can fulfill your dream to go abroad by using a recent technology which has really disrupted world of technology, and that is nothing but ChatGPT. Now we are going to see how you can use that ChatGPT to look your profile different than other candidate in abroad, and how you can use that technology to get a job, to get your CV highlighted, and to get first step to get a call for interview. And believe me, I just came 6 months back, and what I have observed, I was applying job for long time, and finally I got job interview, and I got selected. And one thing I observed, if you want to get job, if you want a job in Western countries, what they look is they look more about your communication skill, let it be writing communication skill or your verbal communication skill. And many people who might be good at their job already, they might have a lot of technical knowledge, or they might be very knowledgeable, but if your resume and LinkedIn profile is not well written, it is less likely that you are going to be selected. And here you can use technology like ChatGPT or any other technology to use it for to make your profile better, and to make your resume impressive. In this today's video, we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT in 5 steps, and that is going to be a very important point in getting your resume shortlisted. And in the first step, you will get an interview call if you use those 5 steps. So without skipping the video, please watch video until the end, and that this video is going to be very informative for you. And if you apply all those tips and tricks, you are going to I am sure your profile is going to be shortlisted. We are going to see first of all how you can write, how you can take some keywords from the job description and core competencies from job description, and then how you can match that with your skills, and just going to mention that in CV. So your CV is going to be looked similar to job description, so that hiring manager will consider that this candidate is fit for this job. Second, we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT to write your resume, and in well written and organized manner. So that we are going to see. Third thing we are going to see is how you can use ChatGPT for writing your LinkedIn profile. And nowadays LinkedIn is the biggest platform in the world, and your LinkedIn profile is really very much important to get a job to somewhere. So when you apply for a job, people generally see your LinkedIn profile to how it look like, and what are the recommendations that person is having. So here we are going to use ChatGPT to write your LinkedIn profile, and also we can use ChatGPT to write recommendation for us as well as for our colleague, and to make your profile little more better compared to other applicant. And lastly, we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT to write personal cover letter for that particular job. And it is just 5 minutes work if you give, but that is going to be really helpful for you in long term. And I'm sure if you apply all those tips and tricks, you are going to get offer, or at least you are going to get an interview call. And if you perform better in interview, you are going to get offer. So please watch this video till the end, and I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write this all tips and tricks to write your resume and LinkedIn. Please like and subscribe our channel for the such informative videos about fulfilling your dream abroad, and we are going to post such videos on regular basis. So let us learn stepwise how you can fulfill your dream abroad by simply using ChatGPT for making LinkedIn profile, for making your resume, and even to make your profile impressive. So you will get shortlisted, and you will get a chance to interview by companies from abroad. So let's go to first step, how you can make your resume like outstanding and like different from the other people who have already applied for a job. So for that we are going to use ChatGPT. So now when you are applying for any job, you will have job description. So how you can take some keywords or core competencies and key skills out of that, we are going to use simply ChatGPT. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do, let's say this is the job description, and I'm going to just copy this and put into ChatGPT, and going to give a prompt, right? Core competencies, key skills, and keyword from job description. Now let's paste our job description. I did not paste it, so we're going to copy again. We are going to copy this and paste it into this one, and they are going ChatGPT is going to give us keyword, and let me just put it here. So they have ChatGPT have given us what are different core competencies and keywords. So what you need to do is, you need to include those key skills. For example, written communication, scientific assessment, problem solving, collaboration. Those are your key skills the employer is looking for, and these skills you are going to put it in your resume, and you are going to highlight those things. So when they see at your resume, they will see it is perfect match for that role. You will be perfect match for that role, and there is chances of getting interviewed will increase. So this is first step. Now you can also use these keywords to put into your cover letter, or in your even resume, and in different part of resume you can put. So this is first step. Now next step will be how you can write your resume. So for that, let's take one example of resume, and now this you have some example resumes, and what we are going to do is, we are going to copy this experience, and ChatGPT is going to write a summary for our resume. Let me copy again. So now once we copy all our content of resume, we are going to put it to here, resume summary with below experience. It did not copied. Now ChatGPT is writing a resume summary for us, and the beauty of this will be uh, ChatGPT is not only going to write summary for you, they are going to write core competencies, they are going to write some keywords which will be important for your resume. Now this summary you can even prepare it for separate for each experience, each company experience. You can prepare separate summary and you are going to put that into your resume. What will happen is that that impressive language will attract your the hiring managers, and they will be impressed with your writing style. So many people have lot of knowledge about their field, but they are lacking somewhere in presenting their skills and experience in the resume. So there we can use ChatGPT wisely. So this is next step. We should use ChatGPT for writing our resume. Now after that there will be a third step, writing LinkedIn profile. So to get a job abroad, it is very much important you should have very good LinkedIn profile, and for that purpose, so what you need to do is you need to write very short brief with very good wordings. Your LinkedIn profile should be, and that you can take help of ChatGPT for that. We are going to do that now in front of you. I'm going to show you on screen. Let us see. So we are going to write here, write LinkedIn summary. Or below experience. And headline. Now, so it has started writing result-oriented professional with strong background in GMP compliance and quality management system and experience with so blah blah blah. So and also ChatGPT has created LinkedIn headline: GMT compliance specialist, quality management system, supplier audit. So this will going to really make your profile little bit look better than the other applicant, and that is going to give an edge over other applicant. So keep that in mind. And also you can prepare for, if you are having experience with multiple companies, you can even prepare copy paste your those experience in ChatGPT, and they can prepare even separate separate experience brief information about that particular experience, and that is going to be helpful. Now also you can use ChatGPT to write some recommendations. So if you want, if someone from your like your company, they wanted to write recommendation for you, maybe you can give some clue, or you want to write for someone, you can use this platform to write recommendations. So let us see how you can use that this platform to write recommendation. Right. And we are going to paste a resume. So they are going to write recommendation for us. And see, ChatGPT is giving many, like 3-4 examples for you. So you can ask your friends to take that and write on your LinkedIn profile. So your LinkedIn profile will look impressive. So after this, the last and very much important point which is necessary for applying a job in abroad is cover letter. So here everyone look towards cover letter. And what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to write a very nice cover letter, and we are going to see how you can write that here on let's see on the screen. So now write cover letter for below job description for quality manager. And using so we are going to paste here our resume, and let's see. Now ChatGPT is going to write cover letter for us. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing letter for to show interest, to express my strong interest in quality management function, and they are going to highlight your experience shortly. So whenever a recruiter, hope this video was informative, and you will use ChatGPT to improve your profile and resume and LinkedIn profile, so that you will increase your chances to get job abroad more. So we are posting such video on regular basis on this channel, so please like and subscribe our channel for more content like this, and leave your comment if there is anything related to visas or anything related to any queries related to getting job abroad, or if you want to move abroad for study. We are going to do our best to answer your queries, and see you in next video.